It has been said that the rainforest is the green lung of our planet.
That is beautiful.
The producer of the very air we breathe. The regulator of the water we drink, and a rich ecosystem both animal and plant species alike call home. The macaw, one of the longest living birds the rainforest has ever seen. Sadly, growing agriculture and deforestation endanger its very existence. Almost all of the macaw's beautiful species are either threatened, critically endangered, or extinct.
Wow.